Hello, I'm Matt from Universal Packaging. I'm going to show you how to set up your new Spinny stretch wrapping machine.
Well, with a little help from me, voiceover guy. First, make sure you've got the right safety gear and tools. Find a safe space that works with your systems. The final gap between the Spinny and the nearest structure must be at least 500 mil. Get rid of the wrap and straps. Then remove all the components except the mast and put them to one side. Lift the Spinny up. We recommend using a forklift to do this. Move the pallet away and then set the wrapper down in its new home. Now you'll need a mate to help you shift the mast back away from the electric motor and turn it over. Position the locating lugs on the bottom of the mast into the slots in the base and lift the mast upright. Line up the bolt holes on the mast with the threaded holes in the base. Use the 6 M8x20mm bolts and washers to secure the mast to the base. Tighten with a 13mm socket and ratchet. Check the carriage lifting belt for twists. The anti-fall bar is located behind the carriage holder inside the mast. Release it and lower the carriage holder into the lowest position on the mast. Now hook up the 2 power cables between the base and the mast. Line up the pins correctly before connecting. There's a locating pin to help as well as a slot on the opposing plug. Be sure to connect the black fitting to the black plug and the white fitting to the white plug. If not, you could blow a fuse on startup. Thread the carriage cables through the opening in the carriage mounting plate and then through the opening in the carriage back plate. With the cables through both openings, lift the film carriage into position on the mounting plate and secure it with the washers and nuts provided. Tighten with your socket. Now connect the power between the mast and the carriage. As before, line up the plugs first and match the colors correctly. Using a 4mm Allen key, remove the plastic cover from the top of the film carriage. Cut the plastic tie securing the electromagnetic brake. Now replace the cover. Open the control cabinet, remove the desiccant pads and get rid of them. Clip on the plastic mast covers. Start with the front panels first, follow with the back panels and finish with the sides. Here's the trick. Clip the bottom panel on first. Clip the next panel 50 mils above the first and slide it down to align with the one below. Now that looks more like a Spinny. Grab a film roll from its protective carton and place it on the film holder. Use the diagram to orient the roll correctly. The film should come off the front of the roll so that the inside of it, which is the clingy side, is applied against the load. This prevents pallets from sticking to each other down the line. Plug the machine in, making sure the power lead is well away from the moving film carriage. Unlock the emergency stop button by turning it clockwise and pulling it towards yourself. Turn the main power switch clockwise to the I position. Press the power on button and the green button should now be glowing. Now the machine's on and ready to wrap. Nice job, team.
And there you have it, team. Your new Spinny, ready to go.